Welcome to the deep dive. So we're diving into AI for business today. Everyone's talking about it, but is it really going to help, actually help a business owner? Like sell more, I don't know,
It's
sprockets?
definitely more than hype.
Okay, good, because I was getting worried I invested in the wrong kind of start options.
Think of it this way. Remember all the fear around websites stealing business?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Now imagine running a business without a website.
Okay, point taken.
AI is on that path, becoming essential.
So no more late night panics about forgetting to renew the website domain.
Exactly.
But you've been deep in the research on AI for business, so no more metaphors. What's the real deal here?
What's fascinating is you're probably already using AI without realizing it.
Wait, seriously?
Ever wonder how Amazon seems to know what you want before you do?
You mean besides them having, like, my entire browsing history?
Let's just say AI is the secret sauce behind those eerily accurate product recommendations.
Okay, that makes sense. But it's Amazon, they've got resources.
And it's not just them. Remember that time your credit card company called you about a suspicious pizza order at 3 a.m.?
Oh, yeah. They stopped that order before I even knew it was happening. That was impressive.
That's AI catching potential fraud in action.
Whoa, I just thought they had some really fast humans working the night shift.
Nope, it's AI working behind the scenes, 24/7, analyzing data, spotting patterns. It's making businesses run smoother, often without us even realizing it.
That ice wild. So it's like having a superpowered intern who never sleeps, doesn't need coffee breaks, and only craves data.
You got it.
Sign me up.
Yes.
Okay, but let's get specific. What real impact are we talking for, say, a regular business?
A great example from the research you shared, Sephora, they've got this tool called Virtual Artist. It uses AI and augmented reality.
Hold on, augmented reality. Like Pokemon Go, but for lipstick.
Kinda. Customers can virtually try on makeup, get personalized recommendations.
Oh, okay. I can see how that would be helpful. Trying to find the right shade of lipstick online it's a gamble, let's just say.
Exactly. And it's not just improving the customer experience. AI can make your business leaner too.
Okay, how so?
Take Coca-Cola, for example. They use AI to analyze marketing data and adjust campaigns in real time.
Real time, like billboards that change based on if it's raining or something.
You're not far off. Imagine marketing that can adapt to trends, optimize on the fly. That's AI.
Okay, now that is both incredible, but also a little intimidating.
How so?
It's like AI creating things. It's starting to feel a bit Black Mirror in here.
That's where we get into generative AI, and it's already making waves.
Okay, break that down for me, generative AI. What can it really do besides, write a dystopian TV show about itself?
Remember those mountains of customer reviews you never have time to read?
Sadly, yes.
Generative AI can go through all of that, give you the key takeaways instantly.
So instead of me spending hours reading online comments, I can get the AI to give me, like, the TLDR version.
Exactly.
I am starting to like where this is going, but is that all?
Oh, there's more. Generative AI can write marketing copy, website content.
Wait, hold on. Is it going to put copywriters out of business, asking for a friend who might need to update their resume?
It's not about replacing anyone. Think of it as augmenting our capabilities.
Oh, okay, that makes me feel a little bit better. So it's more like freeing us up from the tedious stuff.
Exactly, to focus on strategy, on innovation, the things that really matter for growing a business.
Okay, less time on tedious tasks, more time for big picture thinking. Got it. But I have to ask, man, all this data AI uses, is this a privacy nightmare waiting to happen?
That's the thing about any powerful tool, right? There are always considerations, data security, privacy, huge EE when it comes to AI.
So it's not just about picking the shiniest AI gadget out there.
Exactly. It's about trustworthy tools used responsibly.
So due diligence is key. Don't just hand over your customer database to the first AI app you find and hope for the best. Got it.
Yeah.
What else? What about the AI itself?
What do you mean?
Well, how do we make sure the AI isn't, biased?
Ah, yeah. You're right to be thinking about that.
I've heard some concerning stuff about algorithms picking up biases from data.
It's true. AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. If that data's got problems.
Garbage in, garbage out.
Exactly. Except here, garbage could mean some serious PR problems for a business.
Oof, yeah. Nobody wants that.
So you've got to be intentional about the data you use to train those AI models. Audits, checks for bias, that's all key.
So it's like building in ethical AI from day one, making sure it's not going to, like, perpetuate harmful stereotypes because of bad data.
You got it. Building those considerations in from the start is so important.
Okay, so let's say I want to start using AI. Where do I even begin? It feels overwhelming.
Totally. The first thing, define your goals. What do you actually want AI to do for your business?
Okay, right. Don't just jump on the AI bandwagon because it's trendy. Have a purpose.
Yeah.
So then what? How do you even choose the right tools?
It's all about assessing your needs. What are your resources? There are AI tools for businesses of all sizes. You've got to find the one that aligns with your goals, your industry, even your company culture.
Company culture. So it's
Yep.
not as simple as plugging in some fancy software.
Nope. AI done right. It often needs a cultural shift within your organization, too.
Interesting. So training, support, you're saying.
Exactly. It's an investment in your people as much as the tech.
So it's about bringing your team along for the ride. I like it.
Which brings us to another important point, building a future-proof team.
Future-proof. Does that mean everyone needs to learn to code?
Not necessarily. While technical skills are great, there are other skills AI can't replicate. Those are in high demand.
Like what? Tell me more.
Think critical thinking, problem solving,
Okay, those make sense.
creativity, emotional intelligence. Things AI can't replicate.
So it's not just about coding the AI, it's about working alongside it, understanding its limits.
Yes, it's about finding that sweet spot where human ingenuity and AI work together.
Okay, I like that. But let's be honest. Even with the best tools and the right mindset about AI, it still feels daunting.
Oh, for sure.
Any advice for listeners who want to dive in but are feeling overwhelmed?
Honestly, start small, experiment. Don't be afraid to learn as you go.
So dip your toes in the AI pool before doing a cannonball. I like it. What else?
The world of AI is constantly evolving, so stay curious, stay informed,
And
and
embrace the learning curve.
exactly. It's like learning anything new. You're not going to be an AI master overnight.
Yeah, we're all allowed to hit Control+Z a few times in the beginning.
Exactly. The key is to just start experimenting. See what works for your business. Adapt as you go. And hey, who knows? Maybe you'll be the one sharing your AI success story on our next deep dive.
I love that idea. We'll have to get you a fancy AI-powered microphone for the occasion.
Now that's something I'd like to see.
But in all seriousness, what's the biggest takeaway you want our listeners to walk away with today?
AI isn't something to be afraid of. It's a tool. And like any tool, its power is all about how you use it. By understanding its potential, addressing those ethical concerns, and taking those first steps, you can leverage AI to transform your business and really thrive in this exciting new landscape.
Beautifully said. So to wrap things up, AI taking over the world, maybe not yet,
Yeah.
but taking your business to new heights.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Couldn't have said it better myself.
Until next time, everyone, happy innovating.